if we begin with a very small program, initial program, we have something called as hash include your input output stream, and then we have something called as using namespace std. Then I'm creating a main, and supposedly say I'm only printing first program just for trying of the purpose that what my first program does. So we have already seen the part where my preprocessor directive is, the part where my main function is doing some work. Now here I'm interested in what is this particular line doing for me. To be able to understand, I have three parts in this particular line. I have using, I have namespace, and I have std. So using and namespace, these two are keywords. They are keywords introduced in ANSI C++. They were not available in earlier versions of C++. So I have using and namespace as keywords, and std is the name of the namespace that I am going to use. So what do I mean by writing this statement? What is a namespace and what is this statement going to do? So namespace, like a class, we define a class where we have some objects, variables, functions. Similarly, within a namespace, we declare certain classes or functions or variables, and to be able to use those declared classes and function variable objects, we use using namespace std. Std is the standard namespace in C++. To be able to use the objects which are already created in that namespace, we always write using namespace std. Now, if supposedly I'm not writing this using namespace std, where would the error come? I'll not be able to use this cout statement. Supposedly I don't want to use this statement, then what should I do? I should do std, and I should use scope resolution operator before cout so that I will be able to write my statement. Now what do I mean by that? Again, I am only meaning that this is an object of the class which is defined in the standard namespace. So if I want to be able to use that, I have to mention the scope of this. So either I can do this in every statement wherever I am using an object from std namespace, or not to repeat this again and again and again, we use using namespace std. Now the question is, we understand that std is a standard namespace which has already been created for us. We are using these. We understand that using and namespace are keywords. Now what is a namespace? Namespace is a keyword which we are using to define a scope that could hold some global identifiers for us. I'm again saying this is holding some global identifiers for us, and the members are defined in the namespace. Supposedly, this is already defined. This is something which is already defined, so we are using different objects or variables which are already defined. Supposedly, I want to create my own namespace. How do I do that? Let us see a small example. We can also create namespaces, and we can also then use them. This is the one which has already been created and that we are using. So let us understand how do we define a namespace. Simply, I write namespace, which is a keyword, and I write the name of the namespace. So I'm writing name of the namespace in name. You can use any legal identifier over here. And then जैसे आप class कैसे define करते हो? How do you define a class? You write class, and then you write say class 1 or whatever, and you give the members of the class and the functions and variables you declare within. Similarly, within a namespace, you give the name of the namespace, and here you will be declaring the variables, function, classes, anything. You can declare variables, functions, and classes within a namespace. You can declare either, you can even have nested namespaces, but this is what your namespace will be having. After you have done that, you will finish the namespace. The only difference is class is ended by a semicolon, namespace is not ended with a semicolon. This is how you can define a namespace of your own. This is how you can define a namespace of your own. So a very small example is supposedly within this namespace, I am creating an integer variable m, just for example, and I am also creating a function, say void display, and here I am passing some parameter that has to be displayed, and I will be putting whatever parameter is passed, I will be putting that parameter on the screen. So this is one of the namespaces that I am having, and I'm again mentioning no semicolon. No semicolon I've used here, like I do in classes. So after doing this, what happens is, whenever I'm writing my rest of the program, whenever I will be using this m, what do? I use n name scope resolution operator, and then I will have to use m wherever I want to use m. Supposedly I want to give it a value 100. I will not be able to write m is equal to 100. I will have to mention the namespace, then the scope resolution operator. Now, not to do this, I have two options. I can either use using namespace, and I can mention the name of the entire namespace. This is one method. Or I can even do that using namespace, and I use the scope resolution operator here only for instead of this namespace using, I can only say only a member has to be used. So I can use using n name scope resolution operator m. So now I will be able to use only m in my program. So if I am taking just examples over here, supposedly this is, I'm just giving you the explanation. Supposedly this is what you already have given. So after this, now if I'm using namespace n name, supposedly if I'm writing this entire using namespace n name, and if I'm giving m is equal to 100, and if I'm calling my display for some, say 2500, I'm calling this display, these both will now work correctly. Now if I'm using n name and I'm using m, if this directive I'm using, in that case I can do m is equal to 100. This will work correctly. But if I'm writing display, that is I'm calling a function which is defined in the namespace and I'm not using the namespace, this will give me an error. This is not going to work. Is the concept of namespace is now clear to all of